Hey, guess what? Honor is making a grand comeback in India after 2 years. And we are here to spill all the exciting details about their latest gem, the Honor 90. But before we dive into this tech, don't forget to show us some love by smashing that like button and hitting that subscribe. Honor is back with a bang. They are always known for their fantastic OS and top-notch camera tech. This device comes straight out of the box with Magic OS 7. Curious about what it can do? Comment down below and we might just whip a video to break it down for you. The Honor 90 boasts a 200 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and 12 megapixel wide angle, and even a macro camera. For those selfies, there might be a 50 megapixel front camera that can record up to 4K 30 frames per second video. Oh, and did we mention that image engine that works with Magics to enhance portrait image quality? The phone's design is inspired by jewelry, and they are launching it in 4 stunning colors: diamond silver, peacock blue, emerald green, and midnight black. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. Plus, it rocks a unique curved design on all sides. It has 1.5K 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+ for those vivid visuals. It has newly introduced 3840Hz PWM dimming tech. The Honor 90 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery with a supercharged 66-watt power-up. It runs on Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 accelerated version. It's just like a regular 7 Gen 1 but with a little extra oomph in a clock speed department. It has a 4483 mm² all-zone vapor chamber cooling system. There is AI voice enhancement tech that takes your audio experience to a whole new level during video playback. Honor 90 supports NFC, so you can make contactless payments with ease. No need to carry a wallet anymore. Thanks for tuning into this update on Honor 90. Don't forget to show us some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.